Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to care for and grow a peace lily. Now, peace lilies are a beautiful house plant, and they grow outside in warmer climates, but in colder climates they're just grown inside as a house plant. And they're also known as spathiphyllum, and they're beautiful. They have big green leaved foliage, and then they get the white flowers that look like a flag. And so they call them Madonna plants or peace lilies or flag lilies sometimes. And the flowers are white and they almost look like a little calla lily, but it's more of a circular shape instead of a tube. And they're beautiful house plants and they bloom really easily in the house too. So that's why they're so easy to grow. So make sure when you're placing your peace lily in your house, don't put it in direct hot sun in a real sunny window. So if you're putting them in the window, make sure it's in the east facing window if you live on the west coast, because the sun comes up in the east and sets on the west, so the hottest sun comes through the window on the west. And you want it to not get the hot sun, but still have a lighted area. So they grow in the forest, in the jungle areas, with a little bit of light that's coming through the canopy. So they don't like that lush, full hot sun. They rather have a little bit of dappled sun. So try to create that kind of conditions in your house and they'll do really well. They do like a lot of moisture too. So they don't ever want to dry out completely, but yet they don't want to sit in water. So make sure that they're never sitting in water and that you dry them out from time to time. And when you water them, an easy way to water them is just throw them in the shower, put the water on them, let them drain completely, then put them back on a dish. And make sure that that dish, that you dump the water out and they're never sitting right in water and that they dry out in between watering. They need very little fertilizer. Just use good composted soil and they'll do really, really well and they'll make a great house plant.